In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Xiaomi. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now download all of your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then you need to select Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and choose Default Apps. Lastly, tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case Browser. Then click on an app that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!